In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your After Effects composition into an animated GIF using Adobe Media Encoder. This is a great technique to know if you want to share your work across platforms that support GIFs, such as social media or websites. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening your desired composition in After Effects. This will be the project you want to convert into a GIF. Make sure everything looks just the way you want it before moving on to the next step. Once you're happy with your composition, head over to the top menu bar and find the Composition option. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then look for Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. Selecting this option will bring your composition into the Media Encoder application, where you can start the conversion process. Next, Adobe Media Encoder will open up, and you will see your composition listed in the queue. Here is where you get to decide the format for your output file. Click on the word Format, which will provide a list of available file types. From this list, select Animated GIF. Choosing this format tells Media Encoder that you want to create an animated GIF from your composition. Once you've chosen the format, it's time to adjust the settings to suit your needs. You can decide on the size of your GIF. Larger sizes mean better quality, but also bigger file sizes. Consider the frame rate. Typically, a frame rate of 24 frames per second works great for most GIFs, but you can tweak it depending on your specific project. Another important setting is looping. You'll probably want the GIF to loop indefinitely, but if you have other needs, you can adjust that here too. Take your time to find the right balance so your GIF looks appealing and plays smoothly. Now that you've tailored the settings, the next step is to choose the output folder and the file name for your GIF. Click on the text under the Output Location column to bring up the File Explorer. Navigate to the folder where you'd like to save your GIF, enter a descriptive file name, and click Save. This step ensures you know exactly where your file is going to be saved, making it easy to find and share once rendered. With everything in place, you're ready to start rendering the GIF. Look for the Start Queue button, which is often a green play button, and give it a click. This will initiate the rendering process, and Adobe Media Encoder will convert your After Effects composition into an animated GIF. You can monitor the progress and see when the rendering is complete. Finally, once the rendering is done, check the result. Open the GIF in your browser or an image viewer to ensure that it loops correctly and is sized appropriately. By following these steps, you can ensure your GIF looks great and functions perfectly. And there you have it. You're ready to share your animated masterpiece with the world. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating stunning animated GIFs.